In 2029, a major hospital chain in the U.S. was held hostage, not by gunmen, but by hackers. Patient records, life-saving devices, and entire hospital systems were frozen. The hackers demanded $10 million in crypto. Doctors couldn't access patient histories. Surgeries were delayed. Lives were literally on the line. But something changed. Within minutes, an AI system kicked in. It didn't just detect the breach. It traced its origin, isolated affected systems, and neutralized the threat before it spread further. The ransom never paid. The hackers caught within 48 hours. This isn't a movie plot. It actually happened. And this is how AI is redefining cybersecurity. You see, traditional cybersecurity systems are reactive. They wait for a virus to attack, then try to stop it. But hackers today are faster, smarter, and more dangerous than ever before. Cybercrime is expected to cost the world $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. That's more than the GDP of most countries. So how do we fight something that's evolving every second? With machines that can think like hackers. AI in cybersecurity works like a digital immune system. Instead of waiting for threats, it constantly scans billions of data points across emails, networks, and apps. It learns patterns, what's normal behavior and what's not. So the moment something suspicious happens, it reacts in real time. Take an example. Let's say you log in to your company system every day from New Delhi between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. One day, your account tries to access sensitive files from Russia at 2 a.m. AI doesn't need a human to review this. It automatically flags it, blocks access, and alerts your security team. And it gets even crazier. Some AI systems today can mimic hacker behavior to predict future attacks. Yes, you heard that right. AI pretending to be a hacker, running simulated attacks on your system just to find weak spots before the real hackers do. One of the most powerful tools in this domain is behavioral analytics. AI doesn't just look for known viruses, it looks for anomalies. That means it can detect zero-day threats, which are completely new and unknown to the system. Traditional antivirus software would completely miss them. AI also plays a massive role in phishing detection. Ever received an email that looks 99% like your bank, but something feels off? AI can analyze email headers, content, sender behavior, and even writing tone to detect and block phishing scams before they even hit your inbox. But it's not just about defense. AI is now helping trace and hunt down attackers across the dark web. It can crawl encrypted forums, monitor suspicious crypto transactions, and piece together cybercrime networks faster than any human investigator. Let's not forget the emotional side of this. In 2027, a university student named Ria had her entire digital identity stolen, bank accounts emptied, social media hacked, her career almost destroyed. But thanks to an AI-driven cybersecurity system at her digital bank, the attack was reversed in 14 minutes. Funds recovered, access restored, her identity saved. AI isn't just code, it's protection. Now, is AI perfect? No. Hackers are also starting to use AI to create more powerful attacks, like deepfake voice phishing or AI-generated malware. It's an arms race. But the truth is, without AI, we wouldn't stand a chance. This is the new battleground. Not on land, not in the skies, but in the cloud. And those who understand AI will be the defenders of tomorrow. So, if you're in tech, cybersecurity, or even just an everyday user, this is the time to learn how AI is shaping digital defense. Start with tools like Darktrace, CrowdStrike, or Google's Chronicle AI. And always remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to protect you, if you know how to use it. If this video opened your eyes to the world of AI and cybersecurity, share it with someone who needs to know. Don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic insights, because your digital safety might just depend on what you learn next.